We are pleased to show you the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.